Hey guys, so this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing these sneakers, gym sneakers. They are new, and then of course my legging plus this free pants, and then I'm wearing this too. So I'm going to the gym. Sorry about the light, it is kind of too much, but look at the lips, drip drip drip. So anyway, that is the outfit of the day, and I'm going to go to the gym because we are late. Actually not so late, I need to be there in 10 minutes. Guys, I've grown fat, but we're working on it. We are working on it. But look at the skin is getting better. It is moisturized. I'm taking care of it as someone else helps me. My bedroom is clean. So literally I'm just going to go to the gym, and then after I go to sauna, when I come back, we shall be sewing, because yeah, we are done putting our house together and ourselves together. So it's time for serious content. So see you in the gym. Bye.
Balansinga gitulemu emikono gifunze munda awo.
And I've been with trips, I've been with friends, I've been so long, we're doing it again. Ooh, it's something about, just something about the way she moves. I can't figure it out, it's something about her. Ooh, it's something about, kind of woman that wants you but don't need you. I can't figure it out, there's something about her. Cause she walk like a boss, talk like a boss, manicure nails or something pedicure boss. She's fly effortlessly, and she move like a boss.
But I watch my
That's the kind of girl I need. She got her own thing. That's why I love her. It's independent. Won't you come and stay a little time? She got her own thing. That's why I love her. It's independent. It's independent.
Hi guys.
Ebyokulya byonna biridde, ezo zonna suwani yekka yaziridde. Ezo zonna zimazeewo yekka ezo. Oyo mulabi oyo alidde tasaana situka kibedi kirabe.
I know you seen young me. I get the money passing your papa. Wait you one way I don't feel good for you. Why you want to go down? Share you big kiss down there. You better drop your body and walk so free with this body. Make me run, I'm on a low key. Baby, you know me. They get to go move where you know. Please, come make a try your come make a try this on the low. Please, baby, allow me. If you want me, allow me. See body, oh. See body, yeah, body, oh. If you see my boy, lolo. If you see my boy, lolo. Please help me, oh. I don't jump with him, but for me, I wait till the water. Everybody make a rock on me. I know you see.
Hey guys, so in the evening I've been busy and I lost my clips. I lost my content, like 5 videos. It was very nice, including my birthday vlogs, but I don't know, I think we just have to start again because I have nothing to do. My other phone just shut down. I don't know whether it has been waiting for this one, for the new one, but it just shut down. And I have nothing to do about it right now. So let's prepare. It is currently 2 p.m. and I need to cook and then sew some things. I'm going out in the evening with Babe. I'm going in a live band. So yeah.
And I've been with trips, I've been with friends, I've been so long, we don't Ooh, it's something about the way she moves. I can't figure it out, it's something about her. Ooh, it's something about kind of woman who wants you but don't need you. Can't figure it out, something about her. Cause she walk like a boss, talk like a boss, pedicure and nails or something pedicure boss. She's fly effortlessly, and she move like a boss, do what a boss do. She got me thinking about getting involved. That's the kind of girl I need. She got her own thing, that's why money pass your papa. Wait till one way I know feel do for you. Why you want the book and one? Share your big kids down there knee. You better drop your body and more come. So feel with this body, make you run, I'm on a low key. Baby, you know me. Take it to move where you